friends and fellow vintage lovers. I am so excited to show you some items I picked up today. These are all from estate sales. I did a bit of rushing around this morning. I had to hit estate sales because they've been so good for me lately. But I was in a bit of a rush because I had a live sale this afternoon on Gina's channel at Vintage Digs, and then I'm preparing to leave out of town tomorrow. I'm going to Oklahoma City to be with my family for Mother's Day, and I'm actually going to try the bins. I have heard from Martha, Vintage Conversation, that the bins in Oklahoma City are amazing. So hopefully I'll be able to get some sort of footage. I'm not sure I will be there by myself because no one in my family has the patience for anything like that. So it'll be interesting, but I will, of course, show a haul video and maybe try to get some footage while I'm in there if they let me. But again, these are items I picked up today. I think I did pretty good for only being able to hit a couple of them. I was so excited to find a lot of Christmas cards. Oh my goodness, y'all. I actually have more. I just didn't have space to put everything out on the table for this. But I plan on doing a longer haul with all the ephemera that I picked up. These are just a few that I picked out kind of from the top that were my favorites. I mean, look at these cards. A lot of them are Hallmark. They might all be. I'm not going to take the time to flip through each one. But look at the graphics, guys. Oh my gosh. So we are still planning on having a Christmas in July sale. So some of these items will definitely be in that sale. And some of them I may offer before then. I'm not quite sure yet. Just look at these. I mean, the cats. Look, how can you not love that? I also picked up a bag of vintage matchbooks. And these were some of the favorites that I pulled out. Hotel Peabody, of course, in Memphis, one of the greatest hotels ever, in my opinion. And then some of these are just miscellaneous ones I picked out to show you that I thought had great graphics. Good cleaning saves clothes. Okay, that's still true. I like this one. Always wear your goggles, protect your eyes. And of course, the graphic for that, the fountain specials. This one was pretty cool. This is the matchbook from an officer's mess hall in Pensacola. So that's kind of cool. I love the graphic of this. I'll have to do some digging to find out, but it's King Cole's room. So I'm assuming it's kind of a play on Nat King Cole. What do y'all think? I'm sure I'm right. I don't know. I just love these. So I think they're so cool. I also picked up a 45. Now, I have to admit, I really liked the graphic. I thought this parrot was really cute. And then when I saw that it was Tom Jones, she's a lady, well, I just had to get it. I'm sad it didn't have a paper cover, but that's okay. I can get some if I need to. Or someone might be interested in it, without one. We do have vinyl. We do have a record player, so I can definitely play that if I want to. And I kind of do. Okay, I also picked these up for our Christmas in July sale. These are 3 Homeco mice. And they are so cute. They're in, dare I say, like new condition, but they are. There's no chips or scratches on any of these guys. Or girls. She's a girl, because she's got a skirt. I think she's a girl. But look at their faces. These are so cute. I absolutely love them. Okay, now this. I showed this during our live sale, and people were very interested in this. These are ice nudes, and they are, oh my gosh, it's so friggin' funny. These are actually ice molds in the shape of nude women. I mean, just check out the box. The box itself is friggin' awesome. Let me see if I can get these out to show you. Every time I open it, I'm like, no, I need to stop opening it to preserve the box. But I'm not sure if I'm selling these yet. I have to be honest with you. They're so kitschy and so crazy that I may need them. But look at these, guys. Look at these ladies. I mean, how cool is this? I just love it. It's complete. It's just a set of 8 of them. So they were in like a gentleman's bar area of a well-to-do home. So they had some really cool mid-century barware pieces that were too high for me to pick up. And, you know, it was the first day, so I wasn't getting any discounts. I wish I could have gone back tomorrow, but alas, I will be in Oklahoma. But that's okay. I get to see my family, and I get to be with my mom, which is what matters, because Sunday's Mother's Day, don't forget. Okay, check out this dog. I wonder if it's a Yorkie. I'm not sure. It's very dirty in the back. It was used as a planter. I'm not going to try to move it because I don't want to get dirt all over my pretty linen, but look at that. It's in really, really good shape. It just needs nice cleaning. Then I picked this up just for, I don't know, the kitschiness of that too. Dr. Pepper is my favorite drink, and I haven't researched that class yet. I'll probably keep it for myself. I'm not quite sure. I wish there'd been more than one, but I grabbed it, you know, thinking that I would keep it for myself if there was no value in it, and that's fine. I also picked up these tiny cup and saucer. These are both made in occupied Japan, as you can see here on the bottom. And I always try to pick these pieces up. If you've watched my channel, I'm sure you've noticed I have a deep appreciation and fondness for pretty much all things Japanese. I just thought this was really pretty. I also picked up this lipstick holder. Admittedly, I haven't researched it yet, and I can't remember the name of the manufacturer, but I have sold other pieces by the same manufacturer, and I thought this was cool because it actually has a cupid or a, well, I think it is a cupid. I can't tell if it has wings. Look at that glare, but it's cute regardless, whatever kind of little boy that is. I also picked up this Capodimonte. I actually got this at Goodwill, guys. I was shocked. There is one spot where there might be a chip, but other than that, it is in excellent shape. Now, I've mentioned, you know, I've picked up some other Capodimonte pieces before, and no one's really shown much interest, but so I'm not sure if I should present them in a live sale or not. I'm trying to get the light on here. It has the original sticker, porcelain made in Italy, and the company is Nuova. But, I mean, this is in excellent shape. The cashier, as we say in Texas, bless her heart, she was wrapping it up, and she said, oh, this is very, very delicate. And I said, well, yeah, it's fine china, it's porcelain. And she was like, really? And I said, yeah. Each piece was separately put on here. And, you know, I explained the whole process to her, and maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe if they ever get it again, they'll charge more. I'm not sure, but I was really pleased to find that at Goodwill. And it, like I said, there's one area I felt that could be a chip. Even so, this is such a beautiful piece, and it's not a noticeable chip. So if no one's interested in a live sale, I have actually, sold some of these on eBay, and I'm not too scared to ship them, at least pieces around this size. When they get bigger, I do tend to get a little bit more nervous. Okay, so I also got this basket, and I apologize, I haven't had time to clean it. I wanted to get this video out. Well, now I can't open it, of course. It's a lidded basket. It works fine. I was able to carry some of these items in it at the estate sale. But look at it, it's so cool. It was in a garage, so it's pretty dusty. I don't want to put my phone down, but I want to show you. It's not going to come out on its own. It's really cool. It's in great shape. I want to say there's a sticker in it that said made in India, but I could be wrong. But if you're interested in this really cool basket, let me know. Very boho, very 70s, just some dust. But other than that, it's in great condition. And this last thing I picked up for myself. I love the Beatles, and I love John Lennon. And this is artwork that he drew himself for his son, Sean. And I have pieces of other John Lennon art that I didn't have this yet. So I was actually really happy to find this. It is not vintage. I think it's maybe 1998. It came out, of course, after he passed, but I love him. I love his art, and I love his music. I mean, some of my favorite music is John Lennon. And, of course, the Beatles, but he is my favorite Beatle, I have to admit. Look at that owl. Here I am saying, oh, I won't bore you with this. But I am. I also picked up a little golden book at one of these estate sales, and it actually sold during our live sale today. I wanted to show the ice nudes because I thought everyone would get a kick out of seeing that. And I also pulled out the little golden book to show, and Rebecca from Mama's Treasures actually ended up with that. So thank you, Rebecca. And thanks to everyone who was at our live sale today. You know, we were kind of winging it there for a while, having technical difficulties. We had to go from my channel to Gina's, and then we wanted to do a live unboxing of Rebecca Mama's Treasures packages that we received from her awesome $2 sale. So we were kind of trying to get all that done, get our items ready, and Gina had been out sourcing today as well. So I'm glad it all worked out, and I'm glad that everyone was there. I genuinely have a great time talking to everyone, and not, you know, it's not just about selling. I love you guys, and I want to thank you for all of your support. It really does mean a lot to me and to Gina too. I know I can speak for her in that. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend and a wonderful Mother's Day to you and your moms and your grandmothers. Even if you're only a dog or cat mom, or you're an aunt, you're also a mother. Just saying. And again, thanks for everything that you guys do. If you can please continue to like and follow me if you don't already, and please subscribe. I do try to put out content at least 3 or 4 days a week. I had 3 live sales this week, so there hasn't been as much content on YouTube. But hopefully this weekend I will be successful at my first bins trip, and I will be able to show you awesome finds, or maybe I'll be able to sneak away for a little thrifting. We shall see. Okay, guys, have a great night, and thank you again. Bye.